So here is some of the social media content that the CDM students delivered for us. So they created all this content and they sent it back to us. So there was different folders such as Game Jam, introduction posts, Game Jam posters, Game Jam sign up specific posts, Game Jam posters, Game Jam animated logos, push for sign-ups, reasons why you should sign up, switch holding page, and web banner. So just for an example, some of them look like this. Really fun kind of colours, unique. I think it worked out really well. We worked alongside them for a few months, so it was really nice getting to know them and getting to know some of their ideas. So this is just a preview of what some of the sign-up posts look like. So just pop in, pop out, and this is what we use for the social media content. So I think that worked really well for us. And then just something like this, want to meet new people and team up for fun, fast-paced game and making and learning experience. So then it just displayed the time, the date, and when it was starting. And again, here are some of the examples of the logos that they created, just using different Lego blocks in it, different shapes. I think it looked really well. So again, here are some of the just sign up posters and introduction posts to Game Jam. So I really liked these ones. They were really fun with colour, added in a lot of the different kind of theme that we were going for. So it was like bright colours and neon just to make it stick out. So that was one of them. Here's another one, just sign up now. I really like this one. I thought it worked really well. Looked really well on the social media content also. And here's some more. And then it was kind of down to these ones. I like these ones with the neon pink in the background. They worked really well. And just like this. And for the award ceremony, I also created some posts myself, just kind of going with this theme as well and using the logo that the CDM students used. So this was just one of the GIFs that I created, just like a quick 3-second clip just to upload on the social media. And here was one of the award posts. Now it kind of went with a different theme, but I created it on Canva. I think it worked really well. The layout I really liked. I didn't end up using that on the social media in the end. However, I did use this one, so it was kind of going with the scheme, the colour scheme, and just basically Game Jam Awards, find out who won this year's Game Jam, and then the date that the awards were going to be announced, and then the Game Jam logo at the end. So I just changed all the colours of the stars to the same colour as the logo. So this is just a quick preview of the Game Jam social media Instagram account. So as you can see, it just displays what it is. Game Jam event, online weekend game, Friday 25th February, 10 a.m. to Sunday 27th at 11:59 p.m. So games for language learning and team of 4. So this is how you signed up. So you just clicked on the link and then you followed your link. And then you were able to sign up for it here. So this kind of gave you all the indication as to what it was. So showcasing your work, winning games will use by learners at www.languagepathways.ie and will be available on itch.io. So meeting with students from other campuses and then prizes. So the game brief, the game can cover a specific topic or a general area of language learning such as vocabulary, grammar, speaking or listening. So any language except English. So that was the tricky part. But they were pre-existing online resources, so you could use these resources online. So initially this is how you signed up for it. So on the Instagram, we started down here. So myself, Claire, Addis, Aditya and Neve were working on this together. So we came up with the content. So I won't go through it all because there's a lot, but this is kind of just the general run of things. So we used the CDM students' posters, of course, because we really liked them and they had them on the Instagram size as well, so we could just upload them and then put in our content. So what we did was just post like this. So then posting like this, when to meet new people and team up for a fun fast-paced game making and learning experiences. Sorry, want to meet up. So then we just put up a post like this: sign up for our virtual event held on Friday the 25th, go to Sunday the 27th of February. So it's purpose, and then sign up using this link here, and then we use some hashtags that would be relevant for the post. So we did use a lot of the posts that the CDM students sent to us. Mainly we kept the content quite short because we felt like the post itself had self-explanatory explanation to it. So we just kept leaving the link just to sign up. Then here was then the link just to sign up, so people could just scan it with their phone. You go into your camera roll and you just scan it. So that was handy for them as well. And then just for the likes of this, 6 reasons to sign up. And then we would just say 6 reasons why you should sign up. And then just some of last year's games that we uploaded. So Did Year's Adventure, that was the winning game from last year. So one of the fun games made from last year's virtual event. So this was one of the posters that was made from last year also. So as you can see, all the colours are bright and they catch your eye straight away. So then for the day of the event, we had posts like this. It's game day. Really like this poster as well. Really bright, kind of catching your eye. So then we had just 10 hours to go until our event gets underway. Get ready, game jammers. So just keeping it simple, using relevant hashtags and tags. So here was the GIF that I created. So this is what for the awards. So then as you can see, there was plenty of views on that. And then just I said something like, stay tuned for this year's Game Jam winners. That'll be announced this Friday. So I tagged all necessary accounts. So for example, the Student Union and TU Dublin Instagram page, so they could reshare the content. I reached out to see if they would repost our content as well. I also use relevant hashtags associated with the TU Dublin campus and the gaming community. So the social media posts were just basically to let people aware that the event was going on for this day. And again, this was just one of the posts that I created. So just find out who won this year's Game Jam at 6 p.m. Best of luck, everyone. And then tagging all necessary accounts. And then kind of leaving comments under the post just to catch people's attention, just to keep people interested. And yeah. So then it was just first place here. So that was first place. And then second or third place, second place. So, sorry, this was first place here. So gold, the Cara Coven, so the team Alligator. So they obviously went for an Irish title. So this was just the rest of it, just the general layout of it. We did contact many associated with the Game Jam. So we contacted the Game Jam Society, clubs and for TU Dublin, and they got back to us and they reshared our posts many times. So then just the highlights, we just uploaded it all to our highlights and then used the link to sign up as well. So a swipe up link. So, and there it is there as well, also the itch.io, sign up now. So then just anything that was revealed, the awards and everything. So overall, I think the social media content was covered really well.